a teamwork. When we work all together, we can succeed. My grandmother always used to tell me one thing. I remember everywhere, wherever I go, because I had a great bonding with her. And she always used to tell, if you want to grow in your life, you can't grow alone. You need a people to grow. You need to take everyone along. So I understand one line, a leader should create leader. He should not create followers. Because followers is temporary. Leaders are permanent. So always leaders should create more leaders, not followers. So today, I'm very happy that the younger generation is coming into our business, but what changes I think they need to have, what I've understood, I would like to share few of my things, what have gone through my life. And I know to become a good person, it takes a lot of hard work. To become bad person, it takes very less time. In one word, you can become a bad person. But to make a name and sustain for long year, it takes a long time. I'll share one small story of my life incident. When I went to Mumbai to learn diamonds, because my father was pawn broker, very low middle class, come from a very lower background, came from the place of Rajasthan to Bangalore, thought something we will achieve, but you know Marwadis are very, wherever they go, kahin nahi jati belgadi, wahan jati Marwadi ki gaadi. So wherever the Marwadis go, they make their way. I remember when I passed out my 10th standard, I was very naughty, restricted from many schools. And after all restriction, then my grandma told, one day she was sitting with me and she was crying for a long time. She told me, Chetan, so many naughty things you did in your life, I never told you anything. Whatever you want, I gave you. But one thing you have to do for me. And she was very emotional. I remember that evening. It was around 6 o'clock. And she held my hand and she told in my mother tongue language, which I remember, that I have a great hope on you and I know you can conquer the world. You will be the best leader. The confidence what she have put in me, her numb eyes, when I saw water in her eyes, the love for me, that day I decided I will make sure that I will conquer this industry. And I'll make sure that each and everyone should know in me industry and make sure that I myself make a brand, Chetan Kumar Mehta. That was my vision. It is not that I wanted to become famous. It is not I wanted to earn money. It is not I want to do something big. But only what I understood, when elders have a faith in you, and my grandma, when her eye was watery, and that made me to change. And you believe it or not, from that day till date I have not stopped myself. I don't know what is day, what is night. I work 24/7. Who are closely working with me, they know I travel. I travel, I go here, there. People say me, what energy you have? I have one energy, that is called passion. One thing will kill you. One thing will make you to live. That is my passion. Until you have a passion to do something, achieve something, you can do everything in the life. When I started the business, I went to Mumbai. I went to one of the family, Marwadi family. He told, you can't do diamonds. Diamonds is not आपका ये in Hindi they told, ये आप नहीं कर सकते हो, ये आपके लेवल का नहीं है. What was the line? He told, diamond jewelry आपके लेवल का नहीं है, आप नहीं कर सकते हो. Then my uncle was accompanying me. My uncle told me, Chetan, if one door is closed, 100 doors will open. Starting with 2 workers, now we have more than 2,000 people working in my organization. We are the largest manufacturing of diamond jewelry, close setting diamond jewelry. I am proud to say that anything can be achieved. Keep your nature humble. Keep your voice down. If you have more knowledge, make sure that you use your knowledge in a right platform. That's more necessary. Money can give you everything. As per saying, People say money can give you everything. I'll tell you, money can give everything, but money can't give you humbleness, money can't give you the love, money can't give you affection that you have to earn by yourself, that you have to create by yourself. Some people tell me, Chetan bhai, wherever you go, people love you. Always they love you, they come you, hug you, they be with you. One thing I understood, become a giver, not a taker. When you become a giver, people will love you. When you become a taker, people will not love you. What do you mean by giver? Giver is not about money. Giver is not about giving only money and monetary terms. Giving is about your giving a goodness of yours to everyone, giving a moral support, making them to understand what you have gone through in your life. Nobody else should go through in their life. You teach them, you tell them. Today anybody comes to my factory, I tell, please, all are welcome. Please, everyone open your manufacturing unit and do manufacturing. And I am the first person in country, I say, please visit my factory, I am ready to give you full knowledge. I believe sharing knowledge, sharing your secret will never hide you. A rose fragrance can go anywhere. You no need to hold it. It can't be holded. Anybody can hold the fragrance? Can anybody hold the fragrance? Nobody can hold the fragrance. Fragrance is itself. We need, be good, be humble, be love. The major challenge what jewelry industry face today is the second generation. They don't want to come to business because my father also is doing the same thing. I want Saturday, Sunday holiday. Friday evening I want to do party. You know, my father, my grandfather, they don't know what is holiday. They used to work 365 days because they understand what is the value of money. Once the money in the pocket, then the value gets less. So today the youngsters, what I want to tell them is, hard work is not about having a leaves or holiday. Hard work is about what you want to achieve in your life. And achievement can only happen when you sacrifice something in your life. Without sacrifice, you can't achieve. You take anybody in the whole world, any book, any great personality, from Dhirubhai Ambani to Bill Gates, anybody, they have sacrificed something. Because we don't read the story of sacrifice, we read only the story of success. Am I right? Anybody have read the story of unsuccess of any person? We only salute to those people who are succeeded. Before, who used to call Chetan, they need to call me Chetan bhai. Before they used to call Chetan, they need to call me Chetan sir. You created by yourself this. Nobody created for you. You have to create value by yourself. When you walk, your aura should be so strong. People should follow you. That doesn't come freely. That comes with your sacrifice. That comes with your root cause. That comes from your humbleness. So, if a second generation want to do the business, they have to follow their forefathers and fathers. Maybe the technique is different. They have used the old technique. But the hard work, without hard work, nobody can succeed. We talk about leadership conclave. What is leadership conclave? Who is leader? People say, sir, I listen to all two motivational speakers, but after 1 hour, I go back to the normal. I don't have that inspiration. Because you don't have that passion. Inspiration is not about listening to the great leaders or motivational leaders. Inspiration should like you want to achieve something in your life. You believe it or not, when my grandma told me that word, from till that day to this date, I understood. When I walk, people should know this man is walking. Yes, he's talking to me. But I understood one thing, stay humble. Most humble. You know you have more knowledge, make sure you pretend that you don't have knowledge. Listen to opposite person. A leader always should be humble and make sure that you are taking along everyone. That is what the leadership quality. So I say leaders should create leaders, not followers. And now the next generation, when I see 2-tier, 3-tier, we have a small shops. When we see corporates like Joyalukkas, Malabar, Bima, all other groups, we tell, I'm very open to talk about that. We tell they are growing, we are all dying every day. Am I right? Whoever says me the same line, they tell me, sir, because of them we have died. Do you think because of them we have died or because of us only we have died? All you know the question, you know the answer, then also you want to listen from me. Yes? Do you think a Malabar can, Bima can, Joss can kill us? Until you don't want to die, anybody can make you die? Yes or no? Can make you anybody die? I think what we have to understand is what we are lack of. Today, in this century, what we have not did, we have not incorporated the technology into our business. Today also the tea tokens are counted by the father to give in the evening. And son also does the same next day. We are not concentrated on the business, we are always concentrated on the expense. We always not concentrate on the product, we always concentrated on the profit. Today, I had a very good learning, I have understood. For 10 rupees we get coffee, for 363 rupees we get a coffee in 5-star. The coffee is same, but 10 rupees coffee is more better. Am I right? Yes or no? But the ambience, the way they treat you. Today customer is what he wants. He wants treatment. He need to feel special. He need to feel exclusive. For example, when I call you on the stage, when I honor you, how you feel? You feel great that I have achieved something in the life. The same way customer, when he step in your store, he wanted to feel what? Great. Then people tell me, sir, we don't have money. How should I do? People, we don't have gold. How we have to do? When I have started, I have started with one staff, 10 lakh rupees amount. Today we do more than 1,000 crore of turnover altogether company. In span of 17 years, we have created the history. It doesn't happen overnight. It happens only with the hard work and a vision. First, you have to understand when you wake up in the morning where you want to go, what is your day, where you are calculated, and how productivity your day was. What good thing you did today and how you enhance your business. I always see 2 to 4 they want break. After lunch they want to sleep for 2 hours. Body need rest. One in the thing I have understood, Shah Rukh Khan, somebody was asking Shah Rukh Khan, पैसा तो हाथ का मेल है. So Shah Rukh Khan told, पहले पैसा कमा ले बच्चा, फिर बोलना हाथ का मेल है. हाँ? Am I right? किसी ने बोला पैसा हाथ का मेल है. फिर शाहरुख खान ने कहा, you earn, then you tell it's मेल है. So I think giving a lecture, talking on the same thing, it is very easy. When we go to Bhagavad Gita, you know, the Rishi Manis and the Gurujis say the Bhagavad Gita, right? 4 days they do Bhagavad. There is lakhs of people attended Bhagavad. Out of that lakhs of people, only 100 people change their life. Do you think the Bhagavad is told for lakhs of people or for 100 people? Huh? How many changed? The intensity what you have inside, which should trigger your mind and make sure that you can achieve something in your life. For that you have to work hard. Commitment. There is no time. Sacrifice. Purely sacrifice. Purely family time sacrifice, money sacrifice, time sacrifice, food sacrifice. To achieve something, you have to keep on sacrificing. When you don't go out of your comfort zone, you can't create history. Can anybody create the history? No. You have to come out of the comfort zone. 10 is 10. I want to sleep by 10:15. That is discipline. Discipline is different. Lifestyle is different. Having 1:30 your food, evening 6:30 your food, that is a discipline. That need to have. Without discipline, you can't achieve something in your life. But sacrifice is the most important part of your life. Everyone can become a heroes. Everyone have one speciality. What I don't have, you people have. Only the thing is you have to understand what best you have in you and you have to make commitment towards that. Nobody can kill you until you don't want to die. No Joy, no Jaws, no Malabar, no GRT, no Bima. Nobody can kill you. To cherish your business, first you get advanced technology in your business. Advanced technology. What do you mean by advanced technology? I have heard in the people in the Guntur, Vijayawada, Andhra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, they never been to one show till their life. They are sitting in their offices. They don't go to any show. They don't meet any people. They feel this one dam is my life. Everything is this only. Because you never go out. Until you don't go out, you don't experiment, you don't meet people, you don't understand what is good, bad, How do you change yourself? You are in four walls. You don't want to change yourself. If you want to change yourself, you have to come out of those walls. You have to meet the people. I was telling one person last week that Bangalore people, retailers selling 1 kg, 2 kg, they feel, oh my God, my sale is 2.5 kg per day. When went to Mumbai, per day sale is 50 kg, 70 kg. We have to see where we are standing, where we are doing the business, what strength we have in our business, what potential we have in our business. I'm not there to tell you that what is wrong, what is right. I just want to tell you and complete my line. Work hard, continuously. You work hard so much continuously until you reach to your goal. You decide what is your goal. Some people don't have goal at all in their life. मेरे बाप ने किया है, मैं चला रहा हूँ. मेरे दादा ने किया, मैं चला रहा हूँ. 1978 में मैंने एक शोरूम खोला था. अभी 2025 आ गया, वही शोरूम चला रहा हूँ. 1991 में एक शोरूम खोला था, अभी 300 हो गया है. We didn't change. Am I right? Who didn't change? We didn't change, but we blame whom? When you can't conquer, when you can't succeed, you blame on others. When you can't achieve, you blame on others. When you can't make the demand full, you blame others. That is the best thing to do, no? If you blame others, you are out of that. मैं क्यों नहीं हो पाया? Because वो मेरे को करने नहीं दिया. Anybody can stop anyone doing anything in their life? Can anybody tell me one person that anybody can stop anyone in doing anything in your life until you don't want to do it? You don't want to stop it? First, we have to stop blame game. Nobody can stop you until you don't want to stop. Nobody don't want to kill you until you don't want to kill. So I request all my younger generation of this industry to create history. You have to be part of the history. To make the part of your history, you have to hard work. You have to smart work. You have to work with the technology. You have to understand how we have to take this generation to a next level. I would request all the parents of generations to give a free hands to their children. If they don't make mistakes, how do you think they will become big? I have seen some parents, they don't give their son any authority. You sit, you sell, give me the account. You don't purchase, don't give gold rate, don't give diamond rate. If I am on the lunch also, you call me what is the gold rate. If I am sleeping also, don't take the old gold. If he is checked with the gold purity also, again he will go and check from his eyes. Ledra sarik ledu, inarokti check cheyala. Never freedom is given to the youngsters. I would request all the fathers in this country of jewelers, give a free hand to their children. If they make mistake, then only they will create the history. If they don't make mistake, they will never create the history. Even fathers should understand. This is the pain of all the Gen Zs. I can understand all the youngsters. All the fathers. I know why they are worried, They are worried because nothing wrong should go. But until he don't do wrong, you tell me, how can he become right? Without making mistake, how can he become perfect? He don't know what is wrong. And he will never do wrong in the life. How will he understand what is wrong in the life? That is what we have to understand. All together. We should work hard, smart. We should be humble. We should love each other. First, stop criticizing and blaming. If there is no blame, I am sure success will touch your feet. I promise you. First, you stop blaming anyone. Because of anyone can't become anything. It is you who you decide what you want to become today. We talk about Honorable our Prime Minister of our country. People talk 1,000 things about him, but today he proved that if you work hard, dedicatedly, our nation can achieve whatever it wants. Am I right? It doesn't matter. And one thing more I've understood, if you talk also people will talk. If you don't do also people will talk. If you do also people will talk. If you nothing you do, people also will talk. People work is what? What? Louder. What we have to do? Don't stop their talk. You work hard. In silence, your success will make noise. What is that? Work hard in silence. Your success will make huge noise. Don't bother about people. People say me many things. I'm not bothered. I know what you are. I understand one quote from T.T. Rangarajan. One person was Mahatriya. We all know, a lot of people follow Mahatriya. I have been to his session. One boy was seeing in the mirror for a long time. After seeing in the long time, he find some scratch in the mirror. What was that? The scratch in the mirror, and he was seeing continuously for 1.5 hours. He asked someone, Dad, the mirror is having a scratch. Dad told, no, the mirror is very clear. No, Dad, there is a scratch. Dad told, no, there is no scratch. Then her mother came. Mom, there is a scratch in the mirror. Mom told, no, there is no scratch. Father told, what glasses you are wearing, remove that. The scratch is in the glass, not in the mirror. What is that? The scratch is in the glasses. What are you wearing? Not in the mirror. Life is like that. You have to remove your glasses to see the world beautifully. Yes or no? Motivational doesn't require any 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. It is self. You should be always motivated. I tell some people, sir, मैंने आपको सुना था, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा, एक फोटो चाहिए. Okay, I've given. After 2 days, अच्छा लगा सर, उसके बाद अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Because आप कुछ करना ही नहीं चाहता. You don't want to do anything. If you want to do anything in your life, keep that fire on until you die. Until you die, you should keep that fire on. You should decide where you want to go. Everyone should decide. Whether you want to become big, small, very big, decide. Think big. Nothing is going to go away. Am I right? Yes or no? There's no voice, I'm so louder. Yes or no? Think big. You will achieve it. You will make it. A confidence in you will make you whatever you want to do. I just want to tell all the youngsters, we are blessed to be in the jewelry industry. Yes or no? Who all believe we are not blessed, then give your gold to me, I'll take to my own. How many people feel that they are not blessed to be in this gold industry? Come on, raise your hands who feel that they are all blessed to be in this gold industry. Come on. Why there is no raise? You are not from gold industry? Come on, 1, 2, 3. Yes? We are blessed to be in this industry. All industry is having some issues, other issues. Our industry is having a best. Always we have 25% of appreciation every year. Some people tell me, sir, ye dhande mein kuch nahi hai. Then also, her daughter got married from this business. Son also got it from married from this business. 2 cars they have, 2 bungalow they have. They have 2 properties. Then also they have one good line to say, ye business ne humko kya diya hai? Huh? Then also they talk, sir, ये बिजनेस में कुछ मुनाफा नहीं है. ये मुनाफा नहीं है तो दोनों बच्चों का शादी किससे किया है, दोनों गाड़ी किधर से लिया है, प्रॉपर्टी किससे लिया है. When you criticize your own business, when you don't value yourself, a diamond merchant will understand what quality and cut is there. When you don't understand your net worth of yourself, how you believe that other people will understand yourself? Is it possible? When you don't respect yourself, do you think anybody else will respect you? Yes or no? We have to respect ourselves. We should value ourselves. We should make sure that we are best. What we are? We are best. When you talk positively, you create positivity. When you create positivity, the positivity turns into reality. What is that? Positivity turns into reality. You want reality or you want dream? For reality, what you have to do? Yes. Sir, always I can't think positive, sir. I have a habit of negative. Because whatever I buy, one of my friend is there. Before buying the car, he tells her if the car tire is punctured, if the 4 tire also gone, what will I do? Before buying the car, he went to showroom. Lovingly he went to showroom and he told, भैया ये कार तो अच्छा है, ये चारों टायर अगर फट गया उसरी नेक्स्ट डे में क्या करेगा? वो बोला सर आप कार ही मत लो, भाड़े पे ले लो। किस पे ले लो? भाड़े पे ले लो। बोला वो भाड़े पे हमारा जैसा फीलिंग नहीं आता ना, हमारे जैसा फीलिंग नहीं आता, खुद का ले लो। I think we have to understand the thought process of positivity. What you create, you become. What you think, you achieve. Got it? Yes or no? Come on, a big round of applause for all my jewelry fraternity friends. I thank each and everyone. I'm sorry I'm little blunt in talking, but I'm very practical. And today we are going to have a great speaker listening to each and everyone. And thank you all the jeweler fraternity for being here. Thank you Maleshwar Rao ji for taking this lead. Love you all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you.
So may I request you to please stay back on stage. I must say, what an energetic opening to this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you so much for sharing your inspiring personal anecdotes, which was so inspiring to everybody out there. That really gave a personal touch. So we request you to please stay back, and may I request Mr. Shrikant Ars, who's the official organizer and MD of GES India Inc., to please join us on stage. As a small token of gratitude, the team wants to felicitate none other than, ladies and gentlemen, a loud round of applause for Dr. Chaitanya Kumar Mehta. Come on everybody.